Hello, Zalalam from 2620 IsaacTube. Today we will continue on our lab exercise to look into inheritance. But before, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like my video, like, comment and share. So to continue our exercise on inheritance, today we will see the use of the keyword abstract. Okay, so to do that, let's have a new class called, let's say, figure, and finish it, and let's make this one abstract class. Okay, and let's create another class which is a shape to, let's say, it is circle class. And now let's extend this one from figure. Okay, so we have to use the word extend, not extend. So here, to demonstrate the keyword abstract, let's have methods, abstract methods. Let's say area, and let's have this one. Okay, so if you call the method abstract, then you are not expected to include implementation here. So if I include implementation here, it will be an error. Okay, abstract methods cannot have a body. The compiler is complaining, so you cannot implement if the method is abstract. Okay, so here we have to end it like this, but we can have methods which can be implemented in abstract classes. Okay, for example, we can say, okay, so we can say, so we can implement methods like this. Okay, so here we have got, in the circle class, we have got error. So as we have discussed, if you have got abstract methods in a class which is abstract, the class that extends from the abstract class or inherits from the abstract class must override the abstract methods. Okay, so that's why the compiler is complaining. Okay, does not, this class is not overriding the method area. So here, if you want to implement that one, you can write it, or you can press Alt in Windows or Option in Command and enter. So you will get your feedback. Okay, so here you will click implement abstract methods and you will get this one. Okay, so now we have got implemented the abstract class. So now no more we are going to have error. Let's remove this default one. Okay, and have specifics in the circle. Let's say, yeah, and we can have constructor of circle class and one argument. Now we can calculate the area of the circle. As you know, it's 2 pi r square, so we can say return 2 times 3.144 pi, and we can also add, now we have got the area. So here, if we come here and say we have got abstract class called figure, and figure f is equals to new figure, you are going to have an error. Okay, so figure is an abstract class and it cannot be instantiated. Okay, instantiated, but we can use this one as circle. Okay, and apply here. So this reference variable can refer to its subclass. Okay, so when we call f period, we have got about me in the parent class, and we have got area. When we call area, it calls the method in the circle class. Okay, so we can assign the value of this one to a new variable and use it as we like. The other thing that we can demonstrate here is the final keyword. Okay, the final keyword. Let's use our shape class here and say, here we can say I am not to be overridden. Okay, so here we have got this one. Now we can come to the rectangle class and try to override this method. So as we have said, final is used to mean constant when we use it with a field or variable, and a final means in methods, when used with methods, it means that the method cannot be overridden. Okay, so here we have overridden the calculate area method. Now we can look into whether we can override the about me method. Okay, so here we have got about shape method. Let's try here. First let's annotate it, and here we have got an error. So it says about shape in rectangle cannot override about shape in shape. Okay, because it is final, we cannot override it. Okay, and to demonstrate final on shapes, let's have a new class called triangle and make it final, and we can extend from figure. Okay, we can extend from figure. So here we have to override the abstract method area. Okay, so here we have got triangle, and now if we try to inherit from triangle, we are going to have an error. Let's demonstrate it in a new Java class called equilateral triangle and finish it. And now here we have got the class. If we say extends from triangle, then we are going to have an error. Okay, so you cannot inherit from a final class. That's why the compiler is complaining about the inheritance coding here in our equilateral triangle. So we cannot inherit from a final class. When we use the keyword final in a class, it means the class cannot be inherited. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.